Hamilton's premium interior tray set is an ideal set for any interior paint project on smooth to medium surfaces. It has a drop sheet, which I'm using now, a paint tray, the poly pile roller, a utility brush, and some masking tape. So the drop sheet's been put down. I'm now masking up the cornices and the skirtings. The paint that we're going to use on the wall is sponsored by the Real Paint Company. It's a Real Lux Sheen, a very low washable PVA, ideal for interior and exterior walls. And the color we tinted was a purple. Using Hamilton's 50mm utility brush, an ideal brush for cutting in above skirtings and below cornices where the roller's not going to go. We are pouring our lilac purple color into our tray set, and I'm using an extension pole from Hamilton's. That's a 2.5 meter, ideal time saver rather than up and down the ladder. With shades that range from subtle lilac, lavender and dusky mauve to royal purple and rich eggplant. Decorating with purple is a wonderful way to create all sorts of interior looks. So once our first coat is done, we're going to leave the wall to dry for 4 hours before applying our second coat. Okay, the 4-hour drying time has passed and we're applying our second coat. Notice how I start a roller's length away and I work my way across. So with the walls now painted, I wanted the skirtings to be a color. They didn't look good in wood, so I'm using universal undercoat over the skirting. Just a nice coat. We leave this undercoat to dry. Masking tape both sides so I don't mess anywhere. We leave the undercoat for a day to cure and dry before we apply our enamel top coat. For the skirtings, I'm using a high gloss enamel. I'm applying it with Hamilton's fiberglass brushes, which are excellent for solvent-based products. And this enamel is solvent-based, and it's for interior and exterior use for doors, trims, windows, etc. So 2 coats in the gloss white, and our project should be complete. We hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. There we go, skirtings white, cornices white with a lilac purple. It just looks totally awesome. Hamilton's for that perfect finish.